Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To navigate the calendar folder in Outlook, first open the calendar folder. Then use the previous month and next month arrows in the Date Navigator, which looks like a small month-style calendar at the upper left side of the view, to move through the months until the date to select appears. Alternatively, click the month heading itself in the Date Navigator to select from either the 3 previous months or the next 3 months, which appear in a pop-up menu. After selecting the month, then click the specific day in the Date Navigator to display in the calendar. Alternatively, to select a date in the calendar, click the Go to Date dialog box launcher button in the lower right corner of the Go To button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select a date from the Date drop-down. Then select a calendar folder view from the Show In drop-down. Then click the OK button to show that date in the calendar using the selected view. To return to the current day in the calendar folder after moving to a different day, click the Today button in the Go To button group on the Home tab of the ribbon.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.